This is the story of Prophet Yusuf, the son of Prophet Yaqub. A story full of wisdom, patience, betrayal, forgiveness, and divine destiny. It is so beautiful that Allah called it, Ihsan al-Qasas, the best of stories. One night, young Yusuf came to his father with eyes full of wonder. Abba! O my beloved father, I saw a dream. I saw 11 stars, the sun, and the moon all prostrating to me. His father, Yaqub, was a prophet himself. He immediately realized this dream was not ordinary. It was a sign from Allah that his son Yusuf was destined for greatness. My son, do not tell your dream to your brothers, for they may plot against you. Indeed, Shaitan is a clear enemy to man. Surah Yusuf 5. Yusuf had 11 brothers. Though he was the youngest and most loved by his father, his brothers began to envy him deeply. That envy would soon lead to a cruel betrayal. A divine dream, a father's warning, and jealous hearts. This was just the beginning. What happened next would test the limits of patience and faith. Will the brothers betray their own blood? What plan will Shaitan inspire in their hearts? This was just part 1 of the amazing story of Prophet Yusuf. If you want to know what happened next, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Comment below, have you ever had a dream you couldn't forget?